everyone, this is Mia from Retekess Official. In my last video, I talked about the tour guide system TT122, how to use the menu to pair and also one key to pair all the receivers that you want. And now let me show you how to use other functions. First, let's check the volume. And when you press the menu, you can see the volume. Press plus and minus to change the volume. You can see it's total 10 volume. And for the receiver, let's see that. It's same. It's also 10 as well, so you can change the volume as you want. It's quite easy. And now let me show you how to mute the device by one key. First, unlock and press this to volume. Then you can use the minus key, press few seconds. Then you will see it's the mute signal. That's it, and it's quite easy. And if you want to unmute, just long press again. Oh, sorry. First, you must make sure you go to the volume side, and then long press. Okay, that's it. And now let me show you how to lock this item. As you can see, I didn't press any button and it shows locked. That means after a few seconds, if you don't do anything, it will lock by itself. So there is no problem about changing the channels by accident. And if you want to unlock, just long press the minus. And if you want to lock it manually, that will be fine as well. Long press minus as well. Okay, yeah, that's it. So it's quite easy. If you have any other questions about this device, feel free to email us at support@retekess.com. And also welcome to visit our website www.retekess.com. Thank you so much.